then we are dealing with application technology, and as you probably know, application technology is not the core business of fire crop science, but application technology is an essential element to make our products more safe, more efficient to the farmer. And that's our mission, and I make a short introduction to what we are doing. We have many different projects running right now, but we have decided to demonstrate one project for safe use of plant protection product and one project for mitigation of drift. My name is Reinhard Friessleben, that's a team. We are dealing here in Monheim. We are part of global development, and what I would like to stress, we are not technicians, we are agronomists, and we see us as a bridge between chemicals and application technology which is used in farmers' field. And we have a lot of good partners in the industry with which we discuss how to improve application technology. Application technology is very important to be trained in the different market and crops, and for sure this cannot do alone around the globe. That's why we are going to implement a global network, and we hope that every year a new location is joining this global network. Here are the 6 colleagues in Monheim. Then we have in Europe some colleagues in the main countries like France and Germany, Sonia Laurent and Hans-Joachim Duch, who are working in the market with special projects and are trying to train and learn to the farmer. Then we have in North America an application technology center in Raleigh, and in Latin America one application center in Brazil, headed by Enrique Lemos, and one application technology center in Argentina, in Chalpuco. In Africa and Middle East, one colleague of us, Mohamed El Sharif, is doing the job, and we are so happy that we have these partners and we can really do something and can doing significant activities in the world. As already mentioned, training is important to make farmer aware how application technology are working and what's the main purpose of this. And with application technology we have the chance to reduce dose rates, to mitigate risk to the operator and to the environment. In last years we've did several trainings in Asia. This group we trained in particular with all aspects of application technology. In a typical year we have between 700 and 800 visitors here, and with sometimes a short introduction, sometimes we train over various days about special projects, and we hope that we can continue this, and we are trying to do some investments here to have better facilities. These are the major objective and the focus area of application technology within Bayer. Then as already mentioned, we are not developing specific technologies. We are have cooperations with manufacturers of nozzles and sprayers, and we are giving ideas to our partners in the industry globally, not only here in Europe. And application technology can significantly contribute to a reduction of human exposure. Human exposure, we mean the exposure of operators during mixing loading, the contamination during sprayer cleaning. Sprayer cleaning requires some activities, and with modern spray equipment, sprayer cleaning technologies, we can mitigate this operator exposure. Then bystander and residents during applications are important, and consumer protection, whilst precise dose rates, precise calibration, all these aspects are related to the technology. Environmental safety is important for our product. This means the sprayed product should stay in the field where we are growing the crop. and this is pretty much related to drift. Burkhard will demonstrate later on some tools how we can really reduce drift in the field. And last not least, what for the farmer most important is biological performance of the product. This means if he is spraying the product at the right time with the right technology, he is able to maximize the efficacy of the plant protection product whilst minimizing the risk. And this is as well very important for his economical situation. I would like to go to this statement from Wolfgang Zornbach, who is a member of the Ministry of Agriculture here in Germany. He stated already in 2010, it is expected that within the next 20 years, in particular, plant protection equipment will play a central role in further reduction of risk. Yeah? And this we are going to demonstrate you in the next half hour, and there are a lot of good technologies available, and it's even our job to implement them more in the market. Just a few words to the location where we are right now. In this this facility, we are doing tests and trainings. Tests only with water. Application technology we can adjust, we can calibrate with water without chemicals. That's why we are dealing here only with water. We have a meeting and training center for customer and buyer colleagues. Yeah, and then our buyer colleagues in different countries, they are our ambassadors, bringing better technology into the market. We have another test and demonstration stand, and we are talking about closed transfer system much more in detail in a couple of minutes. And then we are doing maintenance and adjustment of spray equipment, and we have a broad range of different equipment here. You see even Knappsack sprayer for our plot trial purposes. Yeah, all this is here available. Over there is another facility. In this facility we are dealing with chemicals, with our formulated products. And here we are checking the applicability of formulations with sprayers. Yeah, then it's pretty much important that we avoid those things. Yeah, that the farmer is not doing the wrong mixing sequence, that we avoid nozzle and filter clogging. All these things are potential risk for operator contamination, for environmental pollution. And that's why we ensure that our products, when they are formulated, are working pretty well in a nice spray equipment. And here we're doing as well cleaning tests, yeah, in order to demonstrate that no critical residues remain in a sprayer. After spraying herbicides, yeah, they may damage other crops or are providing residues which are not possible in this crop. This is our purpose and mission. Responsible care and the image of chemical crop protection are fundamental for our license to operate, and we know that application technology contributes a lot to this mission. Looking to nozzles, we are able to reduce drift by 90%. Yeah? Operator exposure during mixing loading, we are able with tools to mitigate this to a negligible extent, yeah? And much more is possible. And it's important that we develop the market towards innovative, safe, commercially viable and efficient application technology solutions in all crops and markets. Yeah? And sometimes it's even important to demonstrate and to promote, to launch already existing nozzles. Yeah? And if we are, once we are able and have spread into the market only drift reducing air induction nozzles, this would be a great step. In many countries it's already a standard and farmers are not talking about, but in other countries it's known, but it's not common use of the technology. And this process needs to be actively promoted and supported by our biocrop science and the ag chem industry. Application technology is not a business in itself for Bayer. but with huge opportunities to minimize risk related to agrochemicals, and with chances to get better chances for registration of agrochemicals. This technical support we are providing is requested for biocrop science in the whole value chain. We are starting to discuss about application technology very early in the research steps of our chemicals, then in the development phase, and what is our most important job when the products are in the market or just before launch. We are bringing new ideas about application technology to our customers. Yeah, with this I would like to stop my short introduction. Would like to ask if you some question already here.
How significant at this point is precision farming technology with like variable rate, etc., to mitigate problems? Let's say.
Yeah. Precision farming is very important, and you know that biocrop science is spending really significant capacity for precision farming. We as application technology team are involved in this process, yeah, but for sure we cannot work on our crops with these different sensors and with these different technologies. But once the precision farming team has developed algorithm and field-specific spraying, yeah, then we should be able with a sprayer to translate this information in patch application in the field. We are thinking about direct injection, we are thinking about really short reaction of nozzles, yeah, and this is our job, and we see a big future for this technology in the next years, even if the realization in the field is just at the beginning.
Are you developing specific techniques for spraying the specific products that Bayer is creating? So, in other words, once the product is introduced to the market, have you provided specific recommendations on how to follow?
Yeah, yeah. I think this question has two aspects. One question is, are we providing specific recommendation for the use of products? You can say yes. Then we are recommending a special spray volume rate. We are recommending specific nozzles. Yeah, and this can be different according to the market. Yeah, then the spray technology is different in North America compared to Europe or Africa or Asia. This recommendation we are developing together with the country organization. Yeah? Then technology is different in countries and conditions, even temperature and typical air speeds. If you are asking, we are developing a special sprayer or a special nozzle for our bio product, then I'm hesitating a lot. Then I say application technology is typically broad acre technology, yeah, and this technology should be used for each and every product. And how should we justify it just to invest in one specific sprayer for one compound? Yeah, this is not often the case. There are some individual cases. What we are doing, if we have a special idea, we are going to a manufacturer and asking, we have that idea, let's develop together a concept. And with this, I would like to hand over to Armin Lind. He is going to demonstrate a technology. We had the idea 5 years before, and now we are in the market with this technology with our partner. And Armin, the floor is yours.
Flow, an easy flow M system, a closed transfer system for dosing and adding products to the spray tank. You may ask, why is Bayer developing now tools for dosing products? The answer is very simple. We are responsible for the safe handling of our products, from development till they are on the target. I would like to show you two systems. The Easy Flow system, the basic version, it's valid for small sprayers, mainly orchard sprayers or vineyard sprayers. They can reach easily the top of the sprayer because the system is only working by gravity. And I would like to present you afterwards the Easy Flow M version. It's valid for all big scale sprayers because you can suck in the product. But before I show you the system, I have to put on my personal protective clothing. It's very important. if you handle with pesticides. I check it. Come on. Glasses. Last but not least, gloves. Most important. And the highest risk to get contaminated is during mixing and loading, because you work with undiluted product, and more than 90% of the contamination will take part over the hands. Therefore, take gloves. At first I would like to show you how it will be done till now. We have it in canisters in different sizes, from 1 liter up to 20 liters. We remove the cap, we destroy the sealing, if something is there. We pour it in via the injection bowl or via the top inlet of the sprayer. And if we want to take out a part, we have to measure it with a beaker, put it in, it can splash, and we have also to clean the canisters and the vessel. If you use the easy flow system, it's completely gone. The only thing you need is this tank adapter and several canister adapters. Several, therefore, you will see it in the presentation. This canister adapter is sticking on a tank, on the canister, till the canister is completely emptied and cleaned. It's not only for dosing, it's also a cleaning device. You can see if you stick on a sealing here, nothing can happen. It's not possibility to get in contact with the product. Screw it on. Wow, it's tight. Okay. Sealing is still on. Now when I put it together, if you are silent enough, you can hear it crushing when I press it down. Yeah? Are you using? Now the sealing is destroyed. Lock the system, turn it around, so they can see the scaling. Now when I turn it, I open the valve, air is coming in, water is going into the spray tank. I can go fast, or if I want to empty only a part, I can slow it down a little bit. Okay. Now I have to mount in the sprayer I need for this filling. Yeah? I can take it away, but before I take it away, I clean the middle part of the system itself. Press it down here with the fresh water pipe. I can flush it in the middle. The middle means this part here. Yeah? Where the tank and the canister adapter are connected. By pressing it down, I have an open space there. It's okay? And I will flush this middle part with fresh water. Okay, disconnect it, take it away, put it in your stock. Come in next time, same product. Stick it together, lock it, open it. Now I need to rest from the can. I have time, or the hands free to prepare the next canister. Maybe the next product, whatever. And it's emptied, leave it in this position, open. And then now with the freshwater line, I can flush the canister. Okay, now my canister in my system is flushed with fresh water. I have to extend it. Come on. Now we are ready for the next canister and for the next product. It's the easy flow system based on the top of the sprayer. But we have also sprayers with several thousand liters and a height of 3 up to 4 meters. It's not possible to climb up and fill in the products via the top inlet or via the easy flow mounted at the top. Therefore, Acrotop developed the easy flow M version. The basic components are the same. We have this tank adapter, we have the canister adapter, and in addition, we have this measuring beaker here. It's very precise. We can dose in 50 milliliter steps, and we have a connection to the suction line of the sprayer. There is no additional pump, engine or power needed. You can suck it in directly into the sprayer. Or again, like I demonstrated. Okay, well. Sealing again. Screw it on, stick it together. Destroy the sealing, close the system. Close this valve if you want to do it partly empty. Let's say we need 600 mils. Now we reach it, exactly 600 mils. I close my dosing system. Please let the spray run. I open the valve, it will be sucked directly in the sprayer. In this beaker are two nozzles mounted. They are all very common. It will be flushed completely clean, but also the hose. Oh, it's like a hurricane inside. Okay, the next time you can tank, you want to empty the completely. All this, exactly. It's completely empty again. Open the freshwater pipe. Clean the canister. And open it again. Okay. This system will be available, I think that it's a prototype, it will be available on the market till the end of this year. And the best way would be that it will be offered as an additional tool to the manufacturers of the sprayer. That you can put it directly on a fixed position on the sprayer, connect it with a dry connect coupling to your sprayer, a drip-free connection, and you can also use in this case your injection ball for solid formulations and your easy flow M system for liquid formulations.